So today we'll be talking about two iterative verbs. The first one's going to be jeździć, and we all know jeździć means to drive, and it's an iterative form. We've talked about jechać before. Jechać is an imperfective form, and it also means to drive, and it's not an iterative form, as we're going to see today. So don't worry about this. You're going to understand what I'm talking about. Just follow me. Okay, so this is the conjugation of jeździć. I've shown this in the daily verbs if you want to check all the tenses of this. But today I'm going to show you the present tense, and I have here the conjugation. So ja jeżdżę, ty jeździsz, on, ona, ono jeździ, my jeździmy, wy jeździcie, oni, one jeżdżą. Okay? And for the past, you only have to remove the ending and replace it with the past form. We've talked about this in daily verbs. Okay, so let's get going. An iterative verb indicates a habitual act. Jeździć and jechać both mean to drive somewhere, okay? However, jeździć is iterative, as we said, and jechać is not. Okay, so let's take a look on how they are used with some examples. So usually I drive to work on Monday. So this is a habitual act, so we have to say zazwyczaj jeżdżę do pracy w poniedziałek. Okay, because I'm saying that each Monday I go to work, or usually on Mondays I go to work. However, if I'm saying in English I am driving to work on Monday, it means that I'm driving to work on this Monday, and you mean this, you would say jadę do pracy w poniedziałek. When you say jadę do pracy w poniedziałek, it means that you are going this Monday. But we don't know if you were going before or if you're gonna go the following Monday or ever again. Okay, so jadę or jechać is not iterative or not habitual. However, jeździć is a habitual. Okay. I don't know why do I have these letters written here. Anyways, so the same thing for the verb iść and chodzić. We use the second one as an iterative verb. So chodzić is iterative, and I talked about it also in the daily verbs or daily word. And iść is the normal verb, not the iterative one. Okay, this is the conjugation of chodzić. Ja chodzę, ty chodzisz, on, ona, ono chodzi, my chodzimy, wy chodzicie, oni chodzą, and it means to walk or go on foot, not with a car. So it doesn't mean driving, okay? So, as we said, this is the iterative form, and then now we're gonna see some examples just to get more comfortable with using these verbs and knowing what's the difference. Okay, so we have my kids go to school. Okay, very simple. Moje dzieci chodzą do szkoły. Okay. My kids are going to school. Moje dzieci idą do szkoły. So you see here we have iterative. We would say chodzą because this is an iterative verb. It means my children usually go to school, or they are in this age where they go to school. Non-iterative, my kids are going to school. It means that now I'm telling you that my kids now are going to school. Okay? Let's say that I'm talking to my wife and I'm telling her, or to my friend, and I'm telling him my kids are going to school. Okay? Okay. I only drive a Porsche car. Jeżdżę tylko samochodem Porsche. Okay? It means iterative. Why? Because I'm saying that I only usually drive a Porsche car. I wish I did, but I don't. But let's say I did. Jeżdżę tylko samochodem Porsche. It means that I only usually drive a Porsche. It doesn't mean that I don't drive sometimes something else, but what I'm saying is I'm kind of implying that I like to drive a Porsche, and I'm driving Porsche. Okay, and I like it. Okay. Okay, so let's have a look on the non-iterative form. I'm riding to school in a Porsche car. Jadę do szkoły samochodem Porsche. Okay, so here I'm saying that today I'm going to school with a Porsche car, but this doesn't indicate a habitual form, okay? So now when I say jadę do szkoły samochodem Porsche, it means that I'm going today to with a Porsche car. It doesn't mean that I'm gonna go tomorrow, or it doesn't mean as well that I went any time in my life or I drove with a Porsche car. Let's see iterative form with another example. We ride to the beach during summer. So obvious, it's an habitual act. Latem jeździmy na plażę. So latem jeździmy na plażę, it means that during the summer we drive or we go. I write here ride, however in English you can say go, and go can mean riding or walking. Latem jeździmy na plażę, it means that we go usually in the summer. Non-iterative, which means non-habitual, we are riding to the beach during the summer. Latem jedziemy na plażę. So, when I say latem jedziemy na plażę, when I tell you this, it means that when the summer is coming, the next summer, or when summer times arrive, we are going to the beach. It doesn't mean that we usually go there. It means that this time we're going there. Okay. So another iterative form. People go to the cinema when they are bored. This is a fact or known fact, okay? So ludzie chodzą do kina, kiedy się nudzą. So here it's an iterative form. Why? Because we are saying chodzą do kina. It means they usually go there when they are bored. Kiedy się nudzą. Then when we have non-iterative form, we have this example. People are going now to the cinema. So people are going now. It means ludzie idą teraz do kina. Okay, so they are going now. It doesn't mean that they go usually, but now it's like you're saying, I see people going now to the cinema. Ludzie idą teraz do kina. I guess that's it for this video. I hope you understood, and if you did, give thumbs up, and you can subscribe and turn on the notification for more content. I post quite often. And yes, good luck and see you soon.